This is my Cointiply cash withdrawal in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be showing you my Cointiply payment proof and how to cash out in Nigeria. You can see that this platform has paid out over 12 million free Bitcoin. I've already earned over $10 worth of Bitcoin. Let me show you. You can see this is over 51,000 coin that I already withdrew and cash out on this platform, which is over $5 free Bitcoin cash out for me on this platform. And you can see I currently have over 39,000 coins, which is almost $4 of free Bitcoin that I can withdraw right now. You see, the aim and objective of this platform is to review various websites and apps that accept and that will pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know as soon as I publish my new videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you other 23 websites and apps that accept and pay Nigerians that will help you to earn more money online from home in Nigeria. But how do you withdraw your cash on Cointiply from Nigeria or anywhere in the world? Let me show you. To cash out this money, you come to this place. You scroll down, you can see activity and payment. You scroll down, you can see payment. You click withdraw coins. You can also access your withdrawal menu from your profile here. You click withdraw. On any of the two cases, you get to this place. This is total coin I can withdraw, over 39,000 coins. This is the value in BTC and this is the interest I've already earned. Look at it. Are there any fee for withdrawing? No, there are no charges. Before you use any of this method, is that you consider your destination exchange. That is where the money is going to. You can transfer to your wallet or to any exchange of your choice. You see the link of my recommended crypto exchange below the description of this video. You have the following options. You can withdraw with Bitcoin wallet, Doge wallet, Dash wallet, or your Litecoin wallet. These are different cryptos. If you are to withdraw with Bitcoin wallet, you click Bitcoin wallet. Each of these wallets have different payment limit. This one you must have over 50,000 coin to withdraw. This is the amount I can withdraw. You paste your wallet address. For Dogecoin, you must have 30,000 coin. You input your wallet here in this place. The same thing for Dash coin, you must have 30,000 coin. My favorite is Litecoin. For the purpose of this video and for me to get the cash out treated very fast, I'll be using Litecoin. That is LTC. I will click Litecoin. You will need to input your Litecoin wallet address. You go to your wallet or your destination exchange. In this case, I will come to Binance. You can use your MetaMask or any wallet of your choice. I will use Binance. On Binance, I will click deposit. I will click deposit crypto. You can see deposit crypto. You select your coin. You can just type search with LTC because I'm using Litecoin. I will click Litecoin. So this is where you choose your network. If you come back, so you select network here. I'm going to select Litecoin network. I've selected Litecoin. I've selected the network. I've selected Litecoin, the coin I want to use to withdraw. I've selected the network, which is Litecoin. I'll choose my Litecoin wallet address, which is this. I'll copy here. You can see your Litecoin wallet address. You paste here. Make sure that you look at the beginning and the end. If you are sure everything's okay, you click withdraw. So you can see confirm your withdrawal request. Are you sure you want to withdraw this amount of coin from your account? Please double check your wallet address before confirming. So you have to look at the beginning and the end of your wallet address. You look at the end and the beginning. If you are sure everything's okay, you scroll down, input your password, and you click yes, withdraw. After inputting my password, I will click yes, withdraw. You can see your wallet has been submitted, but you must approve it via email. Please check your email. You go to your email address to confirm you are the real person that want to withdraw your money from Cointiply. This is a precaution against hackers and online theft. You can see Cointiply action required. That is the email that I just received. So you click the email. All you need to do is to confirm and approve this payment if you are actually the person. Otherwise, you quickly go back to change your password and decline. In this case, I will approve because I'm the owner of the account. You click approve this payment. Look at it. Approve your payment. Approve my payment. Only submit this form if you would like to approve this payment. All you need to do is to click approve my payment. You can see your payment has now been approved. Thank you. If you look at my current balance now, my coin is now 0 and the balance in US dollar is 0 and my Bitcoin BTC is 0. So all I need to do is to go and check my Binance exchange, or you go and check your wallet to confirm if you have received the money or not. You can see under 24 hours, I received this Cointiply email. Your payment has been sent. And on checking my exchange, you can see the money is in my account. This is the Litecoin and this is the amount. All you need to do from here is to move the money to your bank account in your country. Watch this video. You'll be able to see step by step of how I made the transfer from Binance to my bank account in my country. You can also transfer this money from your exchange to AirTM. Watch this video, a step-by-step demo of how to transfer your money from any exchange like Binance to AirTM. The link of the video will come out here. Watch that video later. And you can see this is AirTM, where you have over 500 payment methods. Watch this video. The link of this video will come out here to show you how to transfer your money to your PayPal. After your money has been moved to AirTM from Cointiply, you can transfer your money to your PayPal account almost free charges. This video will take you through how to do that step by step. Don't forget that you can claim your free $3 sign up bonus on AirTM. You will see the link below the description of this video. All you need to do is to install and download apps for you to play games using this platform, and you get free Bitcoin. You'll be able to watch videos for free cryptos. You'll be able to click ads and get free Bitcoin. You'll be able to do surveys that will earn you money fast. You can also stake your earnings to make more money. You can also invite your friends and family members. This platform will reward you 25% of any amount your friends earn on this platform. These are another popular games that will earn you money on this platform. You also earn daily free spin to get free Bitcoin. You now know how to cash out and get paid on Cointiply. All you need to do is to put in more effort to get more of these free Bitcoin and cryptos on this platform. It is free and you can keep them for future. Bitcoin will worth much more money in the next 10 years. You see, for you to make more money in Nigeria, you need to have access to more websites and apps that will pay you in Nigeria. I've collated 23 apps and websites that earn me money in dollars on a regular basis. This is why you need to watch the next video. You'll be able to see my payment proofs and how I get paid from those platforms. The best of those websites and apps, they are towards the end of that video. So ensure you watch that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.